Hello everyone, I do a quick exam video. I do the separate video. I show you how to fill up the windshield washer fluid, because the car they have washer fluid coolant, you have to top it. And the next time I'm going to show you the brake fluid, because you don't know how to fill up, you fill up wrong and your car is damaged everything. So windshield washer fluid very easy. Okay, you see the windshield washer fluid is the special cap, and they show you the something like spray the water spray out. That means the windshield washer fluid. You get the windshield washer fluid anything. Make sure in Canada you have to use minus at least 45 or 40, because in Canada the only the frozen is when it's cold. You have to make sure no matter what, it's summer and winter, you have to put the minus 45. Don't buy regular for summer and winter. Waste your time, waste your money, because no matter what, if the summer you don't use finish for this one, they come over winter like few months, and then you forgot to train out everything and you get more trouble. So I recommend you buy always minus 40-45 better. Okay, open the car, fill up over here. I show you better. Okay, after you fill up and you close the car, it's very easy. Okay, any car the same. I don't need to tell you exactly the Mercedes or BMW or Audi or whatever, like Toyota, any kind of car. Okay, exactly the same. Okay, so thank you very much for your watching my video. See you next video. Ciao.